Whoa! Is that an indoor waterfall? In an airport? How remarkable!
Oh, there you are, Dr. Chaos! I totally lost track of you back there.
Well, I got tired after the 200th gift shop.
300th, actually. There are about 300 retail and dining shops here in the Jewel of the Changi Airport. Don't you just love Singapore?
Yes, just look at this giant indoor waterfall.
That's not just any indoor waterfall, Dr. Chaos. That's the rain vortex.
The rain vortex?
Yep. Pretty sweet, huh? It's actually the tallest indoor waterfall in the whole world.
How tall is it?
130 feet. I'm about 2 feet tall. So that's like 65 of me stacked on top of each other.
Incredible! Is it man-made?
Yep, it sure is. It's made by recirculating rainwater from a totally fancy pump at the roof down to a pool in the basement.
But how do they control the humidity? With all this water, doesn't it get humid?
Not at all. They switch the water between gushes and trickles to keep it from getting too humid.
Science is fascinating.
You know, Dr. Chaos, there's a giant forest valley in here too. Should we go?
So many trees! I'm